Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy S24. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S24 and now you want to make a hard reset of your device, let's see how can you do this. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to any PC or any other Samsung device with a cable just like this. Just connect it and now it won't make an issue. So now we're ready. You just have to press power button and the volume down button at the same time until your screen goes black, and then shift or change your volume down to volume up to enter BIOS of your phone. So let's see how you can easily make this. Tap on your lock screen or home screen or which you want. So just do this. You just have to press volume down and power button at the same time and you will get this type logo. Now you just have to wait for your screen goes black. It will take a while. You just have to wait, then switch your volume down to volume up to enter phone BIOS or your remote setup. Just like this, just wait for logo and then release all buttons. And after that, you'll get this type display. You must have to use your buttons to move this control up and down because your touch won't work here. So let's see how. You just have to press volume down to go down and volume up to go up and the power button to select. You just have to look for wire data and restore. Just select this option here, then press your power button to enter the option and the factory data reset. Just select it, then press the power button again and you'll get this type of settings, which is reboot system. Now you must have to select the first option. Just press your power button and your screen goes black or your phone will be power off, and now you will see this type of logo. So you just have to wait for it being unlocked. So in this way you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy S24. Now it will remove everything from your phone and you will get a fresh new startup. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.